Brisbane Tree Experts is a company that look after the health and well-being of trees. Our core philosophy has always been something that my dad put together at the kitchen table, funnily enough, back in the late 80s. We care about your trees living, which is kind of ironic, just in large removals. But as we've evolved in the industry, our main difference between loppers and what we do is we care about people's trees and the longevity of them. Our main aim is to make sure people are safe to go in the redwood forest. My wife and I went to California and had a stopover in Trillium Falls. And it was then that I knew that this was who I was and what I wanted to do. So my real relationship started with trees in California. As tree care workers, we have removed a lot of trees over the years. And we identified that recently, and we found that some of the sustainable things and environmentally proactive programs that we're involved in are replanting in reforestation programs with carbon catchers. Within that, we've also gone paperless. We've dropped our paper consumption by about 90% overall. On a conscious level, we can help the environment. Our sustainability is not only about being paperless and planting trees, we also take part in a lot of charities. Pink Ribbon Day is very important for us. We also do National Tree Day. We get all of our staff and we have a lovely day together with the kids, and we plant trees for the whole day and have a big barbecue and make it about the family and the local area, which is really nice. And a few other things. I mean, we've just won the Queensland Arboricultural Association Sustainability Award for 2012-2013, which was very important to us because some of the companies that had sort of pitched were multi-million-dollar large companies, and we were able to show without a doubt that we were at the forefront of sustainability in Queensland, in Brisbane in particular, and we won it. And there's some big companies that have a lot of environmental policies in place. So out of all those companies, we nailed it. Yeah. So with our safety policies, we ultimately want to look after our staff, and that's why we train them. What happens here is this cambium layer has all been torn away. It shuts this area down. For it to do that now, it has to work from here all the way down through and around. And we put them through the different programs that they do. Getting them home safely is the most important thing for us. Then obviously we want to make sure that the client, their property is looked after, that we take a lot of care in that. And finally we want to take care of the trees.